to reclassify these flights as domestic and is also expected to push up the number of potential passengers and enable faster growth of this sector. Betting companies are not yet out of the woods following a fresh blockade to further have them taxed heavily even as the state looks to grow tax revenue. Official communication from State House spokesman to newsrooms, betting companies will now be made to pay 35% tax, representing a 20% rise compared to the initial plan to tax them 15% more. The president's refusal to assent to the finance bill follows an alleged move by Parliament to delete the clause. This will be relief for millions of citizens who will now pay slightly less on any winnings from betting activities. The gaming industry is estimated to be worth 3 billion shillings. Betting companies have been against